The universe is infinite, or close enough to make us feel small. In our galaxy alone, there are over 100 billion stars, and beyond that, hundreds of billions more galaxies. So, why haven't we heard a single voice? Not a whisper, not a signal, not a sound. This isn't just a question, it's a paradox, and it's terrifying. In the 1950s, physicist Enrico Fermi looked up at the stars and asked a simple question: where is everybody? Given the age of the universe and the number of potentially habitable planets, alien life should be common, but it's not, or at least we haven't seen it. This silence is what we now call the Fermi Paradox. Maybe we just can't hear them, because space is too big. Our closest star, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light years away. Even if aliens sent a message 100 years ago, it's still traveling. Scale makes communication almost impossible. What if they're too different? Different biology, different senses, different dimensions? We might be sending messages in a language they'll never decode, and maybe they're sending messages too, ones we can't even perceive. Or maybe they see us. They know we're here, but like zookeepers watching animals, they choose not to interfere. Why? Because we're violent, primitive, still playing with nuclear fire. They may be waiting for us to grow up or to self-destruct. Here's the darkest idea of them all. Maybe life never survives. Civilizations may be common, but every one of them hits a wall. War, climate collapse. I've gone wrong. The silence could be a graveyard of extinct species. And maybe we're next. But what if there's no one out there yet? What if we are the first civilization to reach this level? The first voice in the void. That makes our choices more important than ever. Because if we fall, the galaxy goes dark again. The Fermi Paradox doesn't just question aliens, it questions us, our future, our potential. It asks, will we survive long enough to become someone else's answer? Or will we vanish like all the rest? The silence out there is a mirror. Maybe the question isn't, where is everybody? But who do we become while we're still alone? Because if there's no one else out there, it's up to us to be worth finding. Inspire, keep asking, keep searching. Drop your theory in the comments. Tag someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe Nature and Rush for more stories where science meets mystery.